welcome to the first episode of Rusty Revival Garage. I'm Leo, and today we're going to work on a little Toyota. She's a bit tired. It's a 1984 Cressida. We're going to do a complete engine swap and some other things I'm going to show you now. So yeah, this is the car. She's not too bad. As I said, she's a bit tired, but pretty sure she will come along quite good. Also, I'm gonna show you other projects I have. This is my RM250. It's an 08. Then I got these. Well, I call it Spitfire replica, but you know, replica. We're going to work on it. I will show you on another video, obviously, what we're going to do with it, and you know, show you what I did already. That's my partner bike, and yeah, I have also a YZ125 that we're going to fully restored, and all those parts here that you can see around are for my other Toyota. So yeah, I was saying, this is my other Cressida. So yeah, it has a 2JZ DVTI. Every single bolt in this car has been zinc plated, coated. You know, the engine bays fully resprayed, all the hoses been done. Coilovers gonna have new ones. These are all D2 from an S13. Yes, it has an S13 front conversion with a steering rack, which those cars don't have. I'll show you on the other one soon. They have steering boxes, so I've done heaps of mods in it. Also rear coilovers, they're all in the car, and as I said, as you can see, even the brake calipers and brackets all been zinc plated. Every single bolt, all done, clamps, everything. So this is another project I have. I will show you later on, once we keep going with other projects. Yeah, chaser taillights, and also obviously chaser front end with a fog light. But yeah, so we're working on this today. Plus I have an old 1979 El Camino as well. But yeah, so bikes, cars, classic cars mainly, not all new cars, nothing like that. Muscle cars, we'll work on everything. Why not? Right, so I'll show you what's happening here. She's got a bit of rust, and the engine is very tired. It's just a an old 1GE, and yeah, she's running rough. I think the rings must be gone. I don't know, I haven't done a compression test or a leak down test yet, but I don't really care. There is an easy swap, which I will show you what it is. I have all the parts inside here. It's a direct fit, you don't need to change, not even the engine mount. And yeah, it works fine. Got much more power than the stock 1G. And it's another 1G, but it's FE. These rocket covers all been cleaned up. All the intakes been cleaned up. Also, we're gonna do the full stock ACU conversion, so it means that I will show you how to do a wiring loom conversion for those cars, and I'll show you what I got in the boot. It's a brand new head, well, not brand new, but the head's been redone, so kind of like brand new. All the valves have been reseated and everything. Bunch of parts, electricals, stuff like that, you know what you need. Then we're gonna do the exhaust in this as well. And yeah, this is the engine sitting under here, need to be cleaned out. I have a full gasket kit that needs to go on it. And yeah, your water pump, timing belt, everything. So it's gonna be a brand new engine apart for, you know, pistons and bearings, but it was a good engine. And yeah, so today we might going to start taking some stuff apart. I think I'm going to rebuild this transmission. It's an auto. It's just a daily driver car. I have that manual. I don't really care to, you know, I don't want to do this manual as well. So yeah, and then we're going to paint the engine bay. I'm still trying to figure out what color we're going to do this. Oh, my neighbor probably hates me now. I left the door open, but oh well. And have rust, you can see starting on the door here. Bit crunchy. Yeah, we like it. This panel here is totally gone, but doesn't matter. I got new doors in the back. We can use that. And yeah. So that's what we got. So yeah, we can start now. I will start removing the battery because I don't want any spark when I, you know, remove alternator and stuff like that. Mainly today I'm going to remove all the stuff that I don't need in the engine bay. As I said, we're going to paint it, so it will be completely stripped. Everything will be taken off. So yeah, let's start with the we start removing every single little parts, every like washer bottles, everything. And used to have air conditioning. To be honest, give me a headache, so I always remove air conditioning from the cars. I know, right? I'm an idiot. I don't know. But on this one as well, we are going to do the rack and pinion conversion. You can see down there the steering box. Guys can see that, but it's right there. There, can you see it? There, right there. Yeah, good. And yeah, so we're gonna remove all that. Again, as I said, we're going to spray the engine bay as soon as I decide what bloody color I'm going to put on this. We're gonna do it, and then yeah, my phone ringing. Perfect, nice. So yeah, here we are. I'm not sure what you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see something. Those one here can stay in there because we are going to remove all this loom all around to paint the car. So yeah, and this one we can tuck on the back, so we're going to disconnect that and that. Easy peasy. So I went and removed already some of the boring stuff, and I'm in the process of removing the air filter with the airflow meter. And I was thinking to actually tell you guys that the fuel pump on those models, on the 60 and 70, run on this, the airflow meter. And I will show you how actually some people run it like hot, put a relay, and as soon as you turn the key, the fuel pump going. I don't like that, especially if you have an accident or something like that. I would love that my fuel pump will actually turns off. So I will show you how to, oh nice, oil lake. I will show you how to run the old fuel pump through the actual 1G ECU. Took me a while last time when I did this swap onto a 70. Couldn't understand, the relay wasn't working, and then I realized I had to use a Toyota relay. Thanks Toyota. But yeah, it's not too bad actually. Once you know, it's easy. So I just removed the radiator, and yeah, I don't see anything wrong with this radiator. What do you think, guys? I think it might be the time to change it. Yep. Oh well. So here we are. I went and removed the intake manifold. I know you don't actually need to do that to remove an engine from the engine bay, but this car has headers, so I was thinking to cut them down there, but obviously they will not fit through when I'm taking the engine out through the steering box, so I had to disconnect it from here, hanging them, and then remove the engine. And also I will keep the transmission in the car for now, so I had to remove that ball behind there. That was easy, the knot. So actually a friend of mine took a picture of me doing it. I will probably post it. And yeah, it's pretty much, let's say it's almost there. I need to take the bottom bolts of the transmission off, and then what also I have the fuel lines, and pretty much that's it. It should come out hopefully today, hopefully. So yes, what I'm doing at the moment is I'm taking the torque converter bolts off. I don't know if you guys can see anything. It's in there somewhere. So yeah, showing this is the last bolt. I've already taken out 5 of them, which is 6 in total. And this is the last one, and you don't need to lock the crank or anything. Just pull your ratchet and then just turn it, and you will actually stop in the flex plate. You stop here and just, that's it, that's loose. And then on this model you can actually reach with the little gun here. That's off. All of them, all done, 6 of them. So yeah, transmission is fully disconnected. I only have the engine mounts to disconnect, and the engine can come out. Now I'm running out of daylight, and it's almost dinner, so there will be another day. But at least I don't need the car on the stands anymore. I can just disconnect the engine mounts and get the crank, the engine crane there, and yeah, take it out. Engine's out. And now I might gonna clean it as much as I can. I still have to remove heaps of stuff, so we'll do that. I don't have to put in the trailer, so I need the steering box in to steer. So I might take that off at the Panabita at my friend's place, and then but all the rest can come out. I will remove the transmission soon, and I might see if I can cut this exhaust or remove it like completely one piece and then modify later. We'll see. So everything's been removed apart for brakes, a couple of lines for the steering box, and fuel lines, but that will come later. I will remove the fenders as well, starting taking all the bolts out. But now it's time for a wash. As you can see, pretty dirty. It's gonna get resprayed, but at least we know what we're working with. A lot of rust there. There's gonna be sandblast and powder coated. Yeah, let's see what's happening. Cars are washed. Come out quite good. It's nice. There's not much rust on the frame, so that's the important thing. Hi guys, we're here today at my friend's shop. Shut up. We're gonna paint the engine bay today. We pick a color. It's a Toyota color, like an old color, so it's not gonna be red, guys. It's not gonna be red. And then once we got the engine bay done, we're gonna reassemble everything, and we're gonna do the body another day. But yeah, this is what's happening now. Cars all stripped, then we're gonna put in the boot. We get painted, and we're gonna lift it up, put it on the stand, and bring down the cross member. Even if the cross member gonna get power coated, but doesn't matter. We're gonna strip that down, suspension, and get it cracking. Front end is out. Now we're sending the last bits, and she's ready to get going. Yeah. So yeah, I couldn't really talk too much on the boot with the mask on, but the primer is in. Just a quick spray on primer, and then We're gonna put the color on. My miss choose the color. She likes it, I like it too. I mean, it's classic. But you guys will see soon. Alright guys, here we go. Let's go get some paint. So we're going to power coat all these parts. The cross member will need to be modified for the steering rack. So yeah, pretty much we disassemble and everything. So we're gonna replace the ball joints because they are garbage. They're quite tough, and like the ball actually doesn't really. It's spin freely. They're supposed to be hard to move, but you can actually feel like grooves in it. So yeah, we're gonna replace them. Yeah, so now I'm gonna separate the lower control arm from the cross member. Yes, smoky hot.
Get out.
The goal of the goal! Man is man! Be strong! Man is man! Be strong! Man is man! Be strong! Man is man!
Yeah, everyone, it's the next day. Today I left the parts with powder coating. So the video is gonna end up here. I hope you enjoy it. In the next video we will reassemble all the parts and maybe work on the engine as well. Maybe finish the engine, see how it goes. As I said, hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.